see how to take a support to the wall. High thigh. Then see how to hold it to the thumb. Catch it here. Then down thigh, interlock your finger. Mochen thumb here. And another will be here. Just press. And how to push your hip back. Remember how to push hip back, right? Yeah. then straight. Okay, right? Then if possible, see, I'm not touching my heel, only feet. And straight. Okay, cute.
Mặt căng thẳng thế hả cha? Căng sao? Từ khi cha. Này con đi sao đấy? Với tôi ạ.
Oh.
Ôi mèo.
Bend forward, then first do meow. Okay, all of you make a partner. Do. See like this. You have to take it here and take it here. See like this. You have to motion up. Okay, and you have to inhale up. You have to do movement straight here. Inhale up. Exhale. See, with this leg you have to push. Okay, this leg you have to push it up. Then here, first straight inhale and exhale. Press. Take it here, closer. Then slow. Press. Look straight. Then again, inhale, slowly up. See, first up here and straight. Look straight. Okay. So this bend and with this leg you have to push up. If you feel easy, take 2 or 3 blocks. See like this. See like this. See like this. Hold it. Up. Finger here. Yeah. Oh, only here. Okay. Then move back. Okay. Inhale. And I exhale. Gap chin chai. More. More. Then press down. And again, hit vào lên trực tiếp. Exhale cái đó. Press. Then swipe down. Little stretch. Gọt chân lên. Try everybody. Balance. Take it here. High gap. Then see. Touch your hip to the block. Then slowly inhale. Take it up here. And exhale. Here. Try to take your elbow closer to each other. Then again inhale. Just lay it up here. And exhale. Push it up. Straight. Then try to push your hip down. See, first straight, then bend it. Bend it here. Again, relax here. Then again, inhale. Exhale, leg straight. Then bend it. Push here. Hít vào thẳng chân, một chân lên. Ok, đó, để gập chân, ăn mút, rồi ăn mút, push down, mút, gọt chân lên, ăn mút, rồi mút, again inhale and exhale, both hips down. Change the leg, take it up, First tension. Watching it. Unmove. Very good. Ít xuống. Ok. Gọt chân lên chân trái. Ok. Ấn một position.
Hơi xa. Cứ vào một tí thì Lan nhấc cho.
Nằm sấp. Can you how to make a partner? Đi tay đây. Move out. Move. See that there? So you like this. Take a feet together. You have to do a blue with partner. Then zoom here. Catch it here. Then gap chin. Bend the knee. Then see with the knee how to press. Then try to catch here. Okay, then you have to just slowly go down and sit down here. Okay. Hold that.
Thầy phải nằm xuống để
Okay. But for sit. Take it here. Gap chin. Okay, see, press here. For her also same because she also flexible. Okay, press here and still. And thumb. Okay, try.
Chị Lan phải ôm thầy với phê.
You have to touch your toe to the wall, then take your hip closer, then see, take your touch your heel to the hip, again inhale, come up here, then exhale, put it down here, elbow closer to each other, then another will be one leg up here, bend the knee, then with support here, catch it here, then this leg will be straight and push knee down. Catch it here, push the hip down. Here, thumb and push here. If possible, you can touch your left knee on the line. More hip. More deep. Okay, một chân lên. Here. See, first bend the knee, then lift up, catch the toe. Yeah. Then leg straight, push your hip down. Okay, and keep pushing your chest forward. If possible, you can touch down this. Okay. More. Push. Thumb. More. Eat. Gap chin. Now eat. Thang chin. More time. Oh, relax. Very good. From the ball. Okay. See her like this. Make a leg wider. Stay, okay. Then hold it to the calf. Hai thầy lên. And here, đi tay xuống. More down, exit. More down. Xuống. More. You can go down slow. More. Đi tay more. More này, more slow. You can go down more. Then more. Thẳng tay. Zoom. Stay there. Stay